My name's Hannah and I'm the winner of the Land-Based Industry Award. So I chose the veterinary nursing apprenticeship. I've always had a passion for animals, and I think that you get to an age where you have to follow them passions and dreams. And going to university isn't always possible for a lot of people. You've got commitments at home. So being local to where you live, you get to also earn while you learn, and you get your knowledge and experience for some great people as well. So I work at Bredunsian Veterinary Group, which is a part of Vet Partners. I'm based at the Mona branch, which is for routines, and we do emergency and out-of-hours care there as well. It's great for me because you get new challenges every day, you get to push yourself and no day is the same. They support me massively through studies. If it's, if we get a quiet day, very rarely happens, if we do, being allowed to study on the run up to exams or support with courseworks and just being there to help with my studies. But also it's a tough job and it's not all cuddling puppies and kittens, which I think some people think, some days is really hard, but we've got such an amazing team and they support you no matter what. If you've got a bad day, you can offload. Yeah, I love my team. I think that you can do an apprenticeship at any age, and I wish it was more well known that career changes and doing them at a maturer age isn't an issue, and you get to gain experience from the most knowledgeable people in your field and the most experienced, and you get to earn whilst you're learning, which is a big positive.